I know there's a whole bunch of videos on how to make 10-inch fittings, but I'm making these for my my oil lines for my LS to BMW oil filter housing. You know, there's a whole bunch of them, so I might miss some information. Go watch other videos. I'm just making just for fun. You know, I looked at other videos and it's pretty easy, you know. So this end will go to the hose. So you want to thread it counterclockwise. It's left hand thread, like you would take a nut off. So as you're threading, you want to push and turn. My hose was already cut from one end, so I'm using the neat end that was already cut. See it start to go inside. You can see it right there. Yep, a little bit more. Yeah, right here. So it's sitting pretty close to the thread. You can see right here. Yeah, that's where you want to have it. Now I will fit this end into here, put some lubrication on it. So I got this end on there pretty much tight. It's almost touching the threads inside right here. Yeah, so then what do you want to take the other end of the fitting. So lube this part up, and then I've also put like some black tape right here for a reference, so I know that this fitting isn't twisting off. So if it does, then, you know, just push it back in and turn counterclockwise, like the same way you got it on. Yeah, so now we'll just try to put this on. Push as you go, and then once you get in there, then just tighten it as you tighten like a regular bolt, like that. It'll, like, threads will catch on pretty easy. Yeah, see, it started to spin. Yeah, there's only so much you could do with the hand, so you have to find the right size sockets. Oh, it's going. Yeah, let me go find the sockets, and then, yeah, so I got it made right here. There's a little bit gap, but I cannot get it too tight. I mean, it's kind of, so I put a number 27 on this end, and then like a crescent wrench, and I've been twisting it. It just scratches a little bit, but I'm gonna see if I can. Oh man. Yeah, I can get it to tight a little bit more, but I think it should be good. It will not leak. It's pretty much sitting flush. Yeah, so I'll go test fit this and then see how it looks, and then I'll cut the other end, and then, you know, then I'll be done with the fuel lines. Get back to you after that.